to another Fast Tech video. Before we start, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And click the bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications. That lets YouTube know that we're doing the right thing. It costs you nothing and it helps us out a lot. So please go ahead and do that before we start this video. This video is brought to you by the Fast Tech Pro Auto Kit, which is an automatic screwdriver plus bit set that you need to disassemble any electronics device, including your Xbox, your PlayStation, your Apple iPhone, MacBook, you name it. Links in the description box, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery on a tile. Now this is a tile that normally people use for keys, because this is the one that has the keychain holder in it. There's other ones as well, and I'll do videos on those as well in the future if this video gets a lot of likes and attention. I got this message on my tile app a few weeks ago regarding the battery being low, so I decided it'd be a good opportunity to make a video on this. The battery that you need is going to be listed on our website. It's not a standard CMOS battery, even though it looks like it. It's a lot smaller, and we do sell this spec on our website at fasttechstore.com. Links in the description box and the top comment. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the back of the tile, and there's this piece that we can take off with a fingernail. As you can see, there's some lint stuck in there. At this point, we can use a knife or even your fingernail to take it out, but you want to be careful not to poke the battery at all or it could explode. I'm going to take the battery out like that. That one's a Duracell. Served me well. Thank you for your service, sir. But in with the new battery. I'm going to take one of these out. Again, we sell this battery on our website, fasttechstore.com, or links in the description box. I'm going to take one of these batteries out. I'm going to put it in, push it down all the way, make sure it's flat. At this point, you can decide if you want to remove the lint and the dirt and like the weed residue from your tile. I'm going to leave a little bit in there just so I know it's mine. We're going to line up the piece and then push it into place. At this point, we're going to restart the tile app. We're going to go to tile. We're going to press find. Let's see if it finds our battery. Very quickly it did. Signal very strong. I've replaced this battery. I pressed the option that said replace battery because you have to do this step, otherwise it's not going to register. So we're going to press I've replaced this battery, and it's going to say, did you replace your battery? And we're going to press yes. Now when we go back to this screen, the battery error is no longer there. That's another video from Fast Tech. Thanks for watching another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Press the bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications. And check out my vlog channel in which I travel the world and I record my adventures. I promise you won't be disappointed. This is Shiroz from Fast Tech signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.